How to fix Roblox face tracking not working. So go to roblox.com, click on your cogwheel right here, and then go to settings. Now from here, we have to go to the privacy tab, which is the third one. Scroll all the way down and see this option, use camera to animate your avatar with your movement. So make sure this is selected. We have to read through this information, check this, and we can click on enable. Now this will enable our face tracking. Okay, another thing I can tell you, and another tip I can give you if it still doesn't work for you, is to simply get more light in your room. So sometimes laptops, phones can't really track your face because there isn't enough light in your room, for example, or wherever you may be located. So make sure your face is lit, and then face tracking should work properly when you play Roblox. So that's it. Those are two things I can tell you, I can give you as a tip. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.